Hey guys, welcome to week 4 of the June trading month. In this video, I will be covering the weekly directional bias, key support and resistance zones, high impact economic events, and possible trade setups to look out for. So starting off with the weekly directional bias, the market is currently looking neutral to slightly bearish. YM is currently sitting at 42,385. This is trading near key resistance level of 42,750 around here. This puts market in a narrow consolidation range after recent rallies from last week. Right now, looking at the technicals, it is currently suggesting that market is currently neutral. RSI is neutral, MACD is weakening, and stochastics are currently overbought. So with that said, price remains sandwiched between layered moving averages and hinting at indecision unless a catalyst provides direction. With that said, this week we have a couple news events. So looking over here at the high impact economic events, right here on Tuesday, Wednesday, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. Market will react to his tone on inflation and rate path. So depending on what Powell says, we'll have a hawkish or dovish market reaction. On Friday, we have core PCE price index. This is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. Hot print could spike yields and pressure equities. And also on top of that, we have University of Michigan consumer sentiment and confidence reports on Friday as well. Key read on forward-looking demand and inflation expectations. Again, depending on these news events, these could be catalysts to push price out of this consolidation range, whether it pushes price up or push price down. Also, we have the geopolitical things happening with Iran. So we'll see what happens as this week kicks off tomorrow officially. Looking up here, we're now going to look at the resistance zones. So the key resistance zones here to look at would be over here at 42,566, between 42,566 and 42,750. We have a major resistance cluster right here, and price is currently reacting to it at the moment. Above that, we have the breakout extension target. If price does break above this area, it's probably going to push to this next resistance zone at 43,174. And of course, lastly, the last level over here to look for this week would be 43,491. This is going to be the year-to-date high target if momentum resumes. So if price pushes up here, possible bullish push further. Now, taking a look at the support zones, down here we have the first major support and intraday bounce zone at 41,958. This is going to be the first level right here for price to possibly bounce off if it comes down to this area. The next level is going to be at 41,559. This is going to be the weekly demand and volume shelf right here. So again, if price breaks past this first major support, next level is going to be right there. And of course, the last level down here is going to be the breakdown triggers. So if price reaches this point at 41,300, we'll expect price to turn bearish. So vice versa, if price pushes up here, we'll expect price to push up higher, bullish. If price pushes down here, we'll expect price to push down lower. So, all right, guys, if you found this outlook helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a weekly trade outlook. Drop a comment below and let me know what else you would like to be covered in the next video. Stay sharp, guys, stay focused, and I'll catch you guys in the next session.